Hello everyone, you are here with me. I'm Shruti and today is the third part of our Hang On Slang. But before that, a very happy Doctor's Day to all our inspirational doctors and as well as a happy Ashad Ekadashi to all of you. Ashad Ekadashi, it's the 11th lunar day and a bright fortnight according to the Hindu's month, that is Ashad, which is a June and July. And you know, it's believed that today the Lord Vishnu went on a sleep of in actually we went on a sleep of in a ocean which is known as a Shirsagar, actually a ocean of a milk placed on a Sheshnag for the good duration of 4 months, and when he wake up after 4 months, that day is celebrated or known as a Prabodhani Ekadashi. So just I want to tell you this because as our channel's name suggests that learning must go on. So no matter what's the occasion or what's the situation, learning is always go on. So without taking so much time, let us move toward our today's lesson. But before that, if you forget to like, share or subscribe to our channel, so please do it right now. And if you miss our part 1 and part 2, I will provide you the link in the description box below, so please check it out. So let's get started. So here is our first word, that is gonna, which literally means going to. You can use this word in a way that I'm gonna do this for tonight. Means actually you are going to do that for tonight. And moving on, second words we are having here, it's wanna. It's actually a W-A-N-N-A. So don't get confused, it's double N-A, which really means want to. Means I want to pursue for become, or I want to pursue for computer science, or any in which you want. Where you are using a you want to, you can replace it with the wanna. I am remembering something that if you remember that some days before there is a one trending song which has this word that is gonna. It's like I'm gonna shine, shine, shine. So please check it out. And wanna, we all know, if you are a fan of Honey Singh, you literally remembering that line, that I wanna hang over tonight. So yes, you can find all these words in this case, which will make it really more interesting. So another word is gotta, have got to. You can use this word in a I got a dinner planned tonight with my fam. Actually I tell the meaning of fam in last video. So yes, here it's have got to. Next word is kinda. It's actually pronounced as kinda. Means it's kind of. You can say that hey, that fruit is taste or smells kinda coconut. Means what? That fruit is taste or smell like a coconut. Then our next word is you know. Here it means that don't know. It's not do you know, it's don't know. Means if someone is asking you, hey, you know that what happened last night, you can really answer him that no, I don't know. Means what? I don't know. Next word is gimme. It's nearly pronounced the same, that is you can say either gimme or say give me. It nearly pronounced same, but still that hey, can you give me that pen? Yes, so what? You can using gimme instead of give me, which is quite means hearing sound is trendy. Next is outa. It's not so trendy, but yes, it's out of. Means that thing is out of my mind. Means it pronouncing the same, that is out of, but here you are using it's outa. Another word is whatcha, which literally means is what are you. You can say that what you're doing tonight. So actually I'm not saying what are you, I'm just saying whatcha, but you may hear it as what are you, but it's actually pronounced as whatcha. So what are you doing tonight? Okay, it's quite interesting and do use it next time. And another is one of my favorite, that is hafta. Its spelling is H-A-F-T-A, which really means have to. So you can say it, oh, it's too late, I have to leave now. So actually I am using the word hafta, but you are hearing it as have to. So if you text it, it will make your text more trending, and yes, if you use it, it will make your sentence hear or sound more fluent in English. And our last word is Emma. It's like a funny, means when you are hearing it, its pronunciation or sounds like a funny, but its means is I am going to. You can say that I'm going to talk to him. So actually I'm using Emma, but you can hear it as I'm going to. Emma talk to him. Yes, so hope all these words are very clear to you, and along with this, this is the end of our today's session, and I will catch you soon in our upcoming session. And don't forget to watch our previous two parts if you missed it. The link is given in our description, so please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.